Hello everyone and welcome back to VLADA'S place. If you and your family are thinking about getting chickens, I want to share some feedback on my experience and why I love having them. I love animals in general, but I especially like animals who are low maintenance and are very purposeful. If you live in suburbs and don't have a whole lot of space and not a lot of time to tend to your livestock, chickens are perfect for that. From my perspective, they're extremely low maintenance. If you can provide them with the proper shelter and a good food, chickens are most giving animal. For families who have children, chickens make wonderful pets, especially if you can raise them from baby chicks. We had batches of chickens that were so spoiled they would run straight to our lap as soon as they would see us. If you live on acreage, chickens can help you with the pest control, especially when it comes to bugs, worms, mice, and even snakes. They are great hunters. Next is the weed control. If you allow your chickens to spend some time outside the cage, they will graze the grass, including the various weeds, keeping the weeds under control. Raising them is super easy as well. So if you're thinking about getting chickens this spring, we are your connection. Check out our YouTube channel on the VLADA'S place and you will find instructions from starting week 1 to week 8, which is the most crucial time for the survival of a baby chick. We can help you how to do it, and I hope you will get chickens because they make awesome pets. Another wonderful reason to have chickens is to recycle any leftover foods from your kitchen. My golden rule is that anything I would feed to my children, I would feed to my chickens. And trust me, chickens are smart. There are certain foods that my kids will eat and chickens will not, like acidy foods, citrus, and maybe tomato sauce and things like that. Here's another reason that might surprise you, and that is that roosters are great guards. My rooster would make these particular sounds anytime there is an intruder on a property. So not only is he warning his gals, but he's also warning me that something's happening. And I almost forgot about all the healthy eggs you'll be getting from them. Taking care of chickens is also a great activity for your kids. So if you were not sure until now, I hope this video will help you, and I hope you too will become a chicken keeper.